Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing slash swatches of this Saviland nail kit. They're all builder gels. The kit comes with 12 colors in total, so this is part one of a two-part video. They come with nail molds, I believe that's what those are called, and some brushes for application. So this is just going through the various colors 1 through 12, as you can see, and in no particular order of number. I'm just gonna go through 6 of these swatches, so keep watching, you'll see all the colors, and then I will catch y'all at the end, and soon I will post the part 2 of this video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. we made it through 6 of the various colors that are in this kit. Let me know if you're loving the consistency of this builder gel. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye!